What's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about SafeMoon. This video is going to be very important for all of you, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, SafeMoon is going positive completely. My friends, the SafeMoon price start pumping, and you know what, in this time my friends, SafeMoon is a unique. The whole cryptocurrency's price is negative. I'm talking about the current situation time. Currently, every cryptocurrency's price change is negative, but SafeMoon is unique that still you can see, my friends, in whole changes of the SafeMoon is positive. You can see here the last 24 hours, the last 1 hour. Every update, every change of the SafeMoon is positive. So that's why I really love SafeMoon to investment, my friends. Absolutely, due to these changes, my friends, due to positive changes, due to low price, I recommend it for everybody, especially for my viewers, my subscriber. Please invest now more and more in the SafeMoon, because you get profit only if you hold SafeMoon. Because the changes of the SafeMoon is every time positive. Every time I've found SafeMoon positive. So absolutely they give you profit, not loss. Just hold it, never decide to sell. You can see, my friends, a lot of people want to invest in a SafeMoon, my friends. You can see here the supply. Oh my god, huge supply of the SafeMoon in the market, my friends. Huge. It's time to invest in a SafeMoon. It's time to make profit with a SafeMoon. Hope you like this good news video about SafeMoon. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.